even seen
Does
no
she have any more drugs?
Huh?
Does she have any more drugs?
Watch this.
If I tell you where the rest of the drugs that, you gonna let me out the handcuff?
No.
You gonna let me go?
Yeah.
No.
Come here.
Do not trust him, you stupid bitch.
No, for real, she got more drugs. I got the 20 pills. If you help me with her, I'll cut you loose. Swear to God, promise.
But it ain't her.
Huh? Who is
it? Ain't her.
Who is it? Red?
You gonna cut me loose?
I'll cut you loose. Yeah.
You got to keep the car too?
Huh?
I get to keep the car. You still gonna tow the car?
No, you can keep the car. What am I getting? A lot of drugs? A lot of drugs?
Yeah.
Okay, how much?
I don't know, but they in her wig.
Huh?
They in her wig.
They in her wig?
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna cut you loose if that's true.
Okay.
All right.
What you doing?
Put your hands behind your back.
What's up?
Put your hands behind your back.
Bro, what are you doing?
Where'd you get this? Oh, yeah.
Nigga, you gave me this.
So I just started to.
What did I
You
do?
got cuffs?
What? Y'all see they just been harassing me?
Why I ain't even do shit?
418.
It's Black History Month. What the fuck? I ain't even do nothing.
Yeah? Well, look, this is going in the history books, ain't it?
Yo, that's what I did.
420, 418.
Bro, wait, you lifting my wig off? Do not take my wig off. Do not take my wig
shit.
off. Dog,
Oh,
I'm not.
fuck.
Bro, do not take my wig off. Now you really tripping. You taking my wig off.
Okay, hold on.
No, you trying to take my wig off. I'm gonna let my hair down with it. Stop, for real. I gotta take it.
You get a little bit more crack in there. Dude, fucking ice, bro?
Bro, you taking my
Oh my
wig
God,
off.
there's more. It's fucking deep.
You tripping. That's
Okay.
not even mine.
Okay, well, it's it now.
The girl who did my hair probably put it in there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm sure she put all that shit in
She
there.
probably
Put
did,
all that
bro.
shit in there.
She probably did put that shit in
Man.
there, dog.